Could Jamaica accommodate 10 million extra visitors each year to match Barbados' visitor numbers? Now, my theme is US $25 billion eco-tourism program attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US 10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Some key features of the US 25 billion tourism expansion program are: A, 100 hotels to be built across Jamaica, especially near areas with high unemployment rates. B, providing 300,000 permanent full-time jobs for low-skilled citizens in rural parishes across the island. And C, franchises for 100 large all-inclusive hotels will be given to foreign direct investment over the next 5 years, costing Jamaican nothing. And D, each hotel costing approximately US 250 million to be built, totaling US $25 billion. I'll leave the figures in the comment section below, and I'll leave some as well in the description section as well below. Now, to accommodate 10 million extra visitors within 10 years, Jamaica would need to give out franchises for another 100 mega all-inclusive hotels within the next 12 to 18 months. It would take another 5 years for those hotels to even start being built, according to the government past briefings. However, the first hurdle is to give out the franchises. Once the franchises have started being given out, then everyone will know where they stand. And a lot of people will start investing in local communities all across Jamaica. Not just the people with the franchises, but locals and diasporas alike will be investing all across Jamaica as well. The 100 mega hotels will only accommodate 4 to 5 million visitors. The catch is that locals and diasporas will now start to build small family-run hotels, guest houses, and Airbnb lodgings all across Jamaica. Diasporas and locals alike will also be building their private houses all across Jamaica as well. This will be made feasible and attractive because the highways that the government will be building across Jamaica, linking towns and villages together, these roads are needed for the visitors to travel across Jamaica. Hence, the roads are a part of the massive tourism expansion program. There is no way that a country like Barbados, with one of the highest literacy rates in the world, should have more tourism workers than Jamaica. Barbados citizens are also 3 times richer than Jamaica per capita. Hence, it should be Jamaica that has the capacity to absorb tourism workers, not Barbados. There are other Caribbean countries like the Bahamas, which is even richer than Barbados and have more tourism workers than Barbados per capita of their population. That is why the Bahamas is 5 times richer than Jamaica. They have maximized their tourism industry while Jamaica is lagging behind. Both Barbados and the Bahamas, we are behind them in these numbers per capita. Now, I will leave some comparisons below between the Barbados tourism industry and the Jamaican tourism industry. I will also leave some comparisons as well between the Bahamas tourism industry and the Jamaican tourism industry. And that will demonstrate that even if we get 10 million visitors extra in Jamaica this year, 2024, if it happened that if we increase our numbers this year from 4 million to 14 million visitors per year, we will only equal Barbados visitor numbers per capita. Think about that for a moment. And we will also be 3 times less than the Bahamas per capita if we get 10 million extra visitors in Jamaica this year, 2024. That shows how far we are behind. And even if we should succeed in getting the 10 million visitors over the next 10 years, that's 1 million visitors per year, then 10 years from now, Barbados will go on further ahead of us anyway. So we're still going to catch them up. So we have a lot of work to do. And the government needs to act now and act fast. They should take the next 12 to 18 months, and you should have a national beach policy where where every single beach is in Jamaica, and make some agreement with the investors that they're gonna also maintain a private beaches as well, public beaches as well near their private beaches as well. But we need to get those franchises out quick as possible, next 12 months or 18 months. And then the ball will start to roll from there on. People will come in, investors will be coming, and hopefully we can have at least 10 hotels being built in every year. 10 hotels every year being built. Think about that, large hotels. And that will get Jamaica going. I will leave my notes and some figures and some statistics. I will leave them in my description section on this post, and also in the comment section as well. I'll leave some notes there for you as well. So until my next video, God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. And please like and share my videos and subscribe for the next chapter. God bless you.